All right, doing a quick removal of the light switch for the glove box. So here's the switch itself, and then here's the wire. This little tab there hooks onto there, and then it plugs into here. So when you take it out, when you want to replace it, so my new wire harness has a new one of these and new wire, and this slides there like that. Okay, because that J faces this little slot that's in the harness right there. Okay, and it locks in there. So when you want to take this off, it's kind of a pain in the butt. So I'm going to push it back in because I don't want to get back out. So it goes in there, and that little slot it locks that little J in there. So when you want to take this off, get a screwdriver, a real thin screwdriver, and push hard, just enough to bend it so that you can pull this out. Unless you have three hands, you can push and grab on and pull, and also hold on to this at the same time. But that's how you do it. And this little clip here, you can just pry this up like that, and this will come off. So here's that's a little this, and there's a little spring in there. So put the new one in. Just a reminder that section. Okay. That. Okay, and then it slides in. And then right there is where that little J, and it snaps in there. And that's it. So I just give it a little bit of polish, make it look new. That's not. It's the original. It's new wire, and that's it. All right.